Hey there, people. Welcome to another Scrapping After Midnight episode. I'm your host, Marcel St. Jean, and we have our co-host here.
Co-host, Cool Man Guy. Nice to meet you guys. I'll be along for this scrap run. Driving this old 1989 Ford F-150. She may be a little rough around the edges, but she sure as hell runs real smooth. Yeah, look what we found. Cool Man Guy likes this kind of things. Oh shit. That's a nice big one too. Right from the early 90s.
Scrapping after midnight with Mr. Cool.
Cool Man Guy.
Just take it cool.
I take my time. Oh yeah.
The bad part about scrapping is you need the juice. You gotta get the juices flowing before we can make any kind of cash. So we're gonna slap $15 in here. 15.
Make it 20. Cool Man Guy gonna throw in a 5.
15.01 will be good for the night. We already got our head start. Good $20 back there.
Marcel ain't so precise.
I got 3 6s in there at least.
Oh, Cool Man Guy.
Yo.
So we've just met. You seem like an alright dude. You're driving my truck.
Bad.
I trust you enough to drive my truck, so
Well,
you gotta be cool.
a lot of cute ladies' parents that trusted me, and that didn't turn out too well.
Well, Cool Man Guy, he's not just cool, he works a lot. He's a hard worker. Cool Man Guy.
Cool Man Guy. I like this scrapping game. You know, you drive around, you pick up junk, shit. Free money. Y'all can kiss my eyes.
He's not only cool, he's strong. You know Mustachio, don't you?
I met the man once.
What do you think of him?
He's alright. He's alright by me.
I got some more goods. Some dirty whites.
What do you gotta say about that, Cool?
Cool Man Guy approves, man. That's real nice. Throw it in the back and add it to the collection. Catch y'all's in a bit.
Oh, it's a little freezer. See, the camera pushed a bit.
Sometimes you just need that right moment. You gotta flow into it, you know? Alright.
What you got there, Cool? Oh. Cool doesn't like gloss too much. Scrapping after midnight. Okay, we're on to something. What do you think, Cool?
man guy likes his shit. Oh yeah, microwaves and everything. Let's load this shit up and get rolling. What's going on? Cool man guy here. Look at that shit, yo. Yeah. Nice steel chairs. Come on, Marcel, you go get those. We're gonna have a party.
Like that.
Cool man.
Cool man knows what he's doing, this guy.
Cool man guy don't fuck around. Watch out.
Fold that one. Cool man. Perfect. Yeah.
We still got lots of room. Shit, brother. Yo, cool man, don't fuck around, you know? We got our shit down tight tonight. Shit down tight.
That little bike's like brand new.
Why would somebody throw that out?
Scrapping after midnight.
Rockin' with your mom.
See, this is shit other scrappers miss. You gotta stage dive once in a while.
Hey, cool man guy. He does things one way, the right way, every time.
What do you see there, cool?
Oh, it's only wood. No worries.
See, it's so, like, scrapping with you, buddy, it's so less stressful than Mustachio. Mustachio was always on edge. Like,
Cool man guy likes to, you know, blow some stress, some donuts. I'm gonna go check the load.
oh yeah, we got a full load. It's all cool. It's all cool. It's all cool. No worries.
I was just testing the load, you know. Cool man guy don't like to fuck around.
And the tank's still attached.
Oh, it's a steel one.
Oh yeah, it's a teepee. Don't matter, it's all weight. It's all weight. You people think that we fucking don't work for our money? We work for every 10 cents. Every 10 cents. Look, every 10 cents. Just 10 cents.
I'm just here, man. Just being cool.
Here. Can you see?
Yeah, breathing slow. It's a fucking, probably a nice fucking walleye.
We're fishing from the F-150. Who would have guessed it? Look at his rods all bent.
Holy fucking fish is an asshole. I think he's tired. I think we got him. Oh, no.
Nice fish, but that's not what we're after.
Ooh, 18-pound bass.
Hey?
18-pound bass.
That's a record breaker.
That's a fucking motherfucker.
A big cheers to my co-host, Cool Man Guy. Cheers, buddy. We had a good date. Not bad, not bad. Anyway, people, thanks for watching. Later.